Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use blend ranges in Affinity Studio. The first thing I want you to do is go ahead and bring in your images. So this is my base image, and then I'll bring in this image of mountains here on the top. Let's adjust this a little bit. Then what you want to do is select your image and then just come here and click on the gear cog for blend options. Now here is where you can actually set your blend ranges. So we have this layer selected and we have blend options here. And then you can just go ahead and adjust this. So here is the underlying composition ranges. So if I bring this down, as you can see, this side is getting revealed. Of course, you can add more nodes to adjust it according to your liking. And here is the source layer ranges. You can make those more vibrant if you want. So this is how you can go and reveal or hide tones for seamless blending or creative effects. But that is how to use blend ranges in Affinity Studio.